The Texas Department of Criminal Justice Skills Demonstrations and Career Expos are a collaborative event. We coordinate with Windham School District and oftentimes post-secondary partners in the area for incarcerated individuals that have received some sort of career and technical education or possibly had a job assignment in a relevant field that we're showcasing to employers. We want to educate employers about what it means to hire second chance and to hire a releasing individual, the skill level that they may obtain when they hire somebody. And you can tell them as much as you want to, but when you actually bring them in and show them what somebody's capable of, that's really where you see that leap from, I may be on the fence about hiring, but this is something I'm willing to invest in.
Oh, it's a privilege, it's an opportunity to be able to be part of a platform that will assist in finding a job before you're released or right when you're released. Another form that will assist you in staying out and having a guaranteed job, having a plan together and following through. That way you can succeed and not have to worry about coming back to prison.
When you know the employment that you're going to have, that you're going to be able to provide for yourself, for your family, that you're capable, and knowing what you're going to be doing just removes that stress during the transition period.
I've been locked up almost 12 years. That's a long time. Considering the amount of time that I've done, it's taught me to be grateful and not to take life for granted. Because freedom, a lot of people don't realize how precious it is until it's gone.
Anybody who's willing to hire and give these individuals a chance so that they can prove themselves is assisting everyone in public safety.
I think it's gonna better my future, better my circumstances. That way I can support myself and my family and just be a positive role model in society. There's hope, there's faith. You have to give yourself the chance to be able to prove yourself that you are worthy and that you can be successful.